Yo, what's up guys? Thank you for tuning in. I don't know if you can tell the difference between the lens that I'm using right now, but I did just get a new lens. It is a Sigma 16mm f1.4, so you should be able to see like a lot more light in, so it's not as grainy. Just trying to bump the quality of these videos, you know what I'm saying? But today is a special day. So the other day I did just pick up some wheels. I'm so juiced for this because I'm gonna try to go a little bit lower. Like I said before, I know it was like the same thing with the Rays, but this one should be cool. 85 degrees breakfast, baby. If you guys don't know what 85 degrees is, it's basically like a pastry bakery shop in the Bay Area. I don't know if everywhere else has it, but they got some good pastries, bro. This is like the sausage with like, I don't know, it's just good. Let's go. Okay, for me, I mean, I really like this lens. I think I'm just gonna use it more for like car videography and stuff, but I'm gonna be switching it out because I don't know about you guys, but I could hear it. I kind of like trying to focus. It's not as quiet as I thought. I am using an external mic, but it's just not quiet. I'm gonna be using the regular stock lens, and the Sigma is just gonna be one of my arsenal lenses alongside with my Sigma 30, I think it's 30? Yeah, the Sigma 30mm f1.4, so let's just switch it out because I like the quality of it. I like how much light it brings into the camera, but it is a little bit noisy and I have OCD about that, so let's just switch back to the stock lens. Alright, we back, and there's not going to be that much of a difference in terms of this one. It just has less light and it might be a little bit more grainy in terms of ISO bumping up.
Water. You ready for a walk? Let's go walk to the car. Let's go, Koda. Let's go, come on, let's go for a walk. Oh. Come here.
Sit. Good dog. Wait.
Let's go. You wanna go? Come on. Bro, we gotta get my wheels. Bro. Oh yeah. Let's go. Come on, inside. Inside, go. Go. Good dog. Good boy.
Cold start? Alright, let's go check out the wheels.
Hey, what's up?
You guys ready to see the wheels? Here they are.
The anticipation is real.
Well guys, here are the wheels that I got for the SI. So that look is gonna be different when I switch to these. So these are Enki, obviously, Enki NTO3s. They are 18 by 9.5 plus 40 offset, but I will be running a spacer, so that's gonna make it plus 25. Now, this is really similar in spec of the Rays that I had, and I don't know, I just want to get back into it. Get back into like the stance, you know what I'm saying? Try the stance life again. And for the tires, I'll be running 225/40 18s, the ones that I have on the HFP wheels. We're just gonna mount them on these. And Jose's gonna be buying those. So, yeah, let's mock it up, see how it's gonna look. Woo. Yeah. That's gonna look good. And I know you guys are gonna flame me for having that Instagram poll about the Cosmos XT005Rs, but I still really like those and I wanna get those in the future. But these came up for a really good deal and it was a steal as well. So you know me, I can't pass up on the deals, so I copped it, and yeah, we're gonna make it look nice. So that's what it looks right now. Let's go put these on, and let's actually go to Hayward first because I need to get hub-centric rings from A-Spec wheels. All right, we are here at A-Spec tires. Let's go get the hub-centric rings. All right guys, got the hub-centric rings right here. Shout out to Nick at A-Spec wheels out in Hayward. If you guys need anything, hit him up. Pretty cool guys. They got everything you need from like Oddhons to Cosmos, anything like that. So, yep, shout out to Nick. Thank you, my dude. Got the eccentric rings. Alright guys, we're at Midas. Got Jose here. But help me out. Mount these NTO3s. Yeah, right here. I'll do the other one, I'll do the back. I am doing the back. Oh, okay. Dude, I'm scared, dude. Holy shit. God damn. I'm sold, dude. I'm buying one, dude. Alright, what do you want?
$1,000 right there.
1,000?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is the one you brought, right? You know what's because like this is how it is. I'm not gonna backhammer. Oh shit. Alright guys, I'm about to test fit these just to make sure they fit. A little problem. So with the 15mm spacers, put on right here, the stock stud is way too long in terms of sitting into here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get 5mm spacers, and we're just gonna put it on that way so that instead of having these extended lugs on the other side, we're just gonna have a 5mm spacer sitting right here. So that's what we're gonna do for now. Bro, your boy really biking to O'Reilly right now just to get spacers, bro. Woo! All right, we'll be there, guys. We're gonna make this shit fit. Let's go. Alright, boys. We get 2 of these. Let's go.
Rewards card?
Yeah. Number.
Thank you. Have a good day.
$33 later, boys. Fitment is life. Alright guys, we're back. Let's hope this fits so that we can fit that wheel in. Hopefully. Mounting them up. Oh shit. Oh, okay. I was about to say, bro, this is a stretch. No way. Nah. Pretty good stretch. It's not too aggressive. Alright guys, this is gonna be how it's gonna fit. We have the spacer in here. I know it's not the safest thing to do right now, but we're gonna make it do for now until we need to until we actually like sell these wheels or we just make them work. We're gonna get extended studs just so it's a lot safer right now. It fits, it runs like 4 or 5. But yeah, this is how it is right now. Woo. Right. All right, so right now we have this here, all the way in the back. Hopefully it works. Is that it?
That's it.
That's hella space. It has to go lower, dude. No way.
Exactly.
It's aggressive, but the rear is just looking a little ugly. Not my taste.
See, camber, you're fine like that.
Yeah.
Just like a, probably like a little bit of an inch.
Yeah.
Inch drop on front and rear.
Yeah, yeah.
It should be more than perfect.
Let's start. Ordered some more. Hopefully, this will be what I have for now. I know in the rears, I'm gonna have to camber it more, but as of right now, this should work. We did lower the fronts a lot more, so it's gonna be more aggressive going like that. Yeah, actually this is cambered in, like, all right.
Turn this way. Okay, now go this way. Straight, straight, straight. There you go.
Looks good.
Looks aggressive.
Alright guys, we're now back, but it is dark as hell. It's already nighttime, so I wouldn't be able to show you guys what it looks like. I'll show you guys in the morning on how the car looks. So, catch you guys in the morning. Well guys, there you guys have it. That is the new fitment on the wheels. But yeah, I think it looks really dope. Let me know what you guys think in the description down below. As you can see right here, fitment's on point, kinda. I can definitely go a little bit lower, as well as in the rear right here. Now in the rear, I am having a little bit of a rubbing issue, but that's because I need to match the camper on the other side. This one right here, it's poking out a little too much. It's damn near riding on the fender. Like, fitment's like tight, bro. So what I may have to do is I may have to just camber this part a little bit more, or what a lot of people will do, or what I need to do still, is to just shave down my inner fender, because your boy need that fitment life to go low, you know what I'm saying? So, yep, here's fitment up front. And yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys like it. I know you guys like watching the SI, and it's finally back to having some aftermarket wheels, because when I had the HFPs, it just looked too stock for me. Your boy had to come up, and that's what I did, bro. I came up, and now my car looking fire. So, yep, one last look. I'm doing more of those edits, little here and there, you know, just because I did get a new lens. This lens is a lot heavier, so it does mount up on my gimbal a lot better. So yeah, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you guys leave down in the comments what you guys think of the NTO3s. I think they look fucking dope. So yeah, make sure you guys build humbly. Until next time, catch you guys later. Peace.